Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this look, and today I've used all the products from the brand Huda Beauty. Guys, this is not a sponsored video, and for those who are new here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. And now let's get started. So to begin with, I'm going to use the matte and metal melted shadows in the shade Private Jet and apply it all over my lid just to cancel out all the discoloration I have because of my veins. I'm only going to use the matte side as I'm using this as an eyeshadow base, and it'll just enhance the other colors that I'm going to use from the Huda Beauty palette. I want to hide the discoloration a little more, so I'm taking a little extra melted shadow and then just blending it out. Today I'm going to use the Desert Dusk palette from Huda Beauty, and I'm going to go in with the shade Amber to apply it right over my crease. I'm not exactly using this as my transition shade or my crease color, but a shade in between the two. As these eyeshadows are highly pigmented, I'm slowly going to intensify my color and then blend it out in circular and windshield wiper motions. I will also mention down all the products that I've used in the description box down below so that you guys can have a look later. Next, I'm going to take the shade Oud from the palette and apply it in the outer creases of my eye just to give it a little dimension and depth. I'm also going to blend it out with the previous shade just the way I always do. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Eden and Blazing from the palette and apply it right above the first shade we applied. Now this will cancel out all the harsh lines that we have created from the first shade, and it'll just give it a blended look. For that glamorous look, I'm going to take the color Bloodmoon from the palette and I'm going to apply it with my finger from the inner corners of my eye to the centers of my lid. If you want, you can apply it with a brush, but the shimmer shades from any of Huda Beauty's palettes always gets enhanced when applied with a finger. Then I'm going to go back with the shade Oud to blend out any harsh lines between the shimmer shade and the outer crease. Then I'm taking the life liner and using the pencil side, I will apply it as an eyeliner. I'm going to stretch my eyes while I apply this because it's not very creamy to apply as an eyeliner. We're using the pencil side because we are going to smoke it out, and the liquid liner is not smudge proof at all. As I go along, I'm also going to apply it in the waterline. Next, I'm taking the shade Black Truffle from the Remastered palette to smoke out the liner we created with the pencil. I'm also going to intensify it more closest to the lash line. Since Huda has not launched a mascara yet, I'm going to use the Big Ego mascara from Tarte and I'm going to apply it on my lashes. Before I apply the mascara, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply the mascara. Now for me, I have to correct my under eyes, and since Huda does not have a palette for color correction, I'm using the one from Kryolan and I'm applying it wherever I want to cover my blemishes. You may also skip this step if you wish, as the foundation and concealers from this brand are highly pigmented, so they would cover all your blemishes. However, I just prefer to do this step as it gives me a flawless look. Now for the foundation, I'm going to use the shade Latte and mix it with a few drops of Versali, as I find this foundation too thick and too heavy for my skin. So I'm going to take only one pump of the Huda Beauty foundation at the back of my hand, mix it with 2 to 3 drops of the Versali Rosegold elixir, and then just mix it with my finger. I'm also going to apply it all over my face in dots and then just blend it out with a beauty blender. Next, I'm using the Overachiever Concealer in Sugar Biscuit and Cookie Dough. This will just conceal and brighten up my under eyes. I will blend it out with a small damp beauty blender. To set my under eyes, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Loose Baking Powder in the shade Banana Bread. I'm going to first apply it under my eyes and then above the jawline just to enhance the contouring that I will do. Since I was unable to get my hands on the Huda Beauty Tantour, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toast to contour my face. I'm going to start under the cheekbones, nose, jawline and the temples of my forehead and blend it out with the same blender I used for my foundation. To top it up, I took the shade Oud from the Desert Dusk palette and applied it wherever I applied the Illegal concealer to contour my face. I was so happy and impressed with the results that I really feel I don't need to get the tan tour anymore. Now for the lashes, unfortunately I did not have any of Huda's lashes, and for this look I had to wear lashes. So today I'm gonna wear one of my favorite lashes from PAC Cosmetics in 54. Now I'm going to take the liner side of the Life Liner and apply it over the band of my lashes. I'm also going to intensify the smokiness of the liner with the shade Black Truffle, as there was a little fallout from the shimmer shade over our smoky liner. Also ensure to tap off the excess, as you do not want any black fallout under your eyes. The brush I'm using for this is my Morphe B16. Then I'm going to use the pencil side in my waterline and blend it out with the shades Oud and Amber in my lower lash line. The brush that I'm using for smoking it out is Morphe M124. So first I'm going to take the shade Oud and apply it extremely close to my lower lash line and then blend out any harsh lines with the shade Amber. I'm going to extend it and join it to the wing I've created to make it look seamless. Then I'm taking a big fluffy brush to dust off the loose powder, and without taking any more product on my brush, I'm using it to set my entire face in tapping motions. I'm using the brush from Urban Decay. To finish off my eyes, I'm applying the same mascara in my lower lashes. For blush, I'm taking the shade Saffron and Turkish Delight on a small brush from Real Techniques 402, and I'm applying it on the apples of my cheek. To highlight, I'm using the 3D highlighter palette in Golden Sands and taking the shade Fiji with my finger. I'm applying it on the high points of my cheek. Then I'm taking the shade Seychelles and applying it over it just to intensify the look. To apply this, I'm using my Sigma highlighting brush in F03. I'm also using this to apply it in the inner corners of my eye to make them look bigger and wider. For my lips, I'm using the liquid matte lipsticks in the shade Icon topped with Bombshell to make them look fuller and poutier. I'm not going to use any lip liner as I did not own one, but I'm going to clean up the messy lines with a clean brush just to make them look a little more sharp. To seal everything together, I'm finishing it off with the waterproof setting spray. This is it, guys. This is my final look. I hope you like this look. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you recreate this look, please don't forget to tag me. For those who are new here, I post videos every week, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Thank you for watching.